Make a great choice today with the 2024 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.